Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to study about comparison of integers and addition of integers on a number line. All of us know what are integers. Integers are numbers which are all positive numbers, all negative, and a zero. And zero is neither positive nor negative. Zero is smaller than all positive numbers, but zero is greater than all negative numbers. Now, what is the rule for integers comparison? As we move towards the right of the number line, we keep on getting the bigger numbers. And as we move towards the left of the number line, we keep on getting the smaller numbers. So let us take an example 4. Now let us see. Numbers to the right of 4 in the number line. There are many numbers, infinite number of numbers to the right. That is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and so on. All are greater because we are moving towards the right. And when we are moving towards the left, we see 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, all are smaller than 4. Let us take one more example of -3 and -4. Let us see which is greater. Let us see on the number line -3 and -4. You can see here -4 is to the left of -3. So -4 is less than -3, or we can say -3 is greater than -4. So whatever numbers are to the left, whenever you get two numbers, beta, we have to imagine which number is where. Okay, like suppose if I give you one number -6 and 0. Okay, let us see -6 and 0. Now 0 and 6, which is to the left? You have to just think. 6 is to the left, so -6 is less than 0. 0 is neutral number, neither positive nor negative. Let us see the rules for addition. First, we have to go to the first you have to draw the number line. Then mark first, directly move to the first addend on the number line. Then you have to see the second number, whether it is a positive number or a negative number. The second number, if it is positive, move to those many units to the right, and if it is negative number, move to those many units to the left. Let us see how this is working. Addition using number line, 5 plus 4. This we have done in our previous classes also. 5 is the first addend. So we directly move to 5 on the number line. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start from 5 and move. Next number is positive 4. Positive 4, that means we have to move towards the right. Now where is right of 5? This side, this direction. 5. Now how many units we need to count? 4 units. So we have counted 5 to 6, 1 unit, 6 to 7, and there 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. What is the answer? 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then let us see the next example, 5 plus -4. So what is the first work? The first work is to first reach 5. So we have started from 5 actually. 5. You can see here. And -4 means we need to go for left direction. So we have moving towards, from 5 we have to move 4 units to the left. 4 units to the left. So we have counted 4 units and we have moved towards the left 4 units to the left. And what are we getting here? We are getting, see, after moving to 4 units, from 5 to 4, 1 unit, 4 to 3, the second 1, 2, 3, 4, and we move to 1, positive 1. So 5 plus -4 is positive 1. Let us see the next one, -5 plus 4. Now first is what? -5. So you can see we have drawn a number line and we directly went to what? Which number? -5. So we have started from C, -5. And it is plus 4. That means we need to move to the right direction from -5. So we are moving towards which direction? Because positive. So 4 units towards the right. You can see 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see, count those arrows which I have made from 5 to 4, 4 to 3. There are 4 So towards the right, because it's a positive number. So 5 plus 4, we reach here where minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Let us see one more. Both are negative numbers, minus 5 and minus 4. So 0 we have written and we directly started from minus 5. You can see there minus 5, and we have, since the second addend is minus 4, so we need to move more, to which side? To the left side of the number line from minus 5. And how many units? 4 units. So we have counted 4 units there, beta. When you count 4 there, you can see here 4 units are there. We reach where? Minus 9. Minus 5 to minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. So that is the answer. So I hope it's clear how to compare and how to add the integers on the number line. Thank you.